a timeless symbol of love, or a monument hiding dark secrets. The Taj Mahal, one of the most magnificent structures ever built, is known for its breathtaking beauty. But beyond its white marble lies a history filled with mysteries, hidden chambers, and untold stories that few dare to talk about. Stay with me till the end, because today we unveil the hidden truths of the Taj Mahal. Truths that may change the way you see this legendary monument forever. The legend of love and loss. It was the year 1631. Emperor Shah Jahan, the ruler of the Mughal Empire, was deeply in love with his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. She was not just his queen, but his soulmate, his advisor, and the love of his life. But fate had other plans. On a fateful day, while giving birth to their 14th child, Mumtaz Mahal took her last breath. Devastated, Shah Jahan made a promise. He vowed to build the most beautiful structure in the world, a tomb so magnificent that time itself would bow before it. Construction secrets of the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal wasn't built overnight. It took 22 years to complete, involving 20,000 artisans and 1,000 elephants to transport the finest white marble from across India and Central Asia. But here's something shocking. Modern architects still cannot fully explain the engineering marvel of the Taj Mahal. The floating foundation theory. The Taj Mahal was built on the banks of the Yamuna River, yet it has stood strong for centuries without sinking. Some believe its foundation was built using a secret wooden structure that absorbs moisture and prevents damage. Optical illusions. Did you know that when you walk towards the Taj Mahal, it appears to shrink instead of getting bigger? And if you look at its minarets, they lean slightly outward. This was a clever design to protect the structure from earthquakes. The sealed chambers beneath the Taj Mahal. There are secret underground chambers. But why were they sealed? What is hidden inside? The hidden secrets and mysteries. Now, let's talk about the hidden secrets of the Taj Mahal. Secrets that historians and researchers have debated for centuries. Was the Taj Mahal originally a Hindu temple? Some believe that the Taj Mahal was not built by Shah Jahan, but was actually a Hindu temple called Tejo Mahalaya, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Certain historical records suggest that an ancient temple existed on this land before the Mughal Empire, the hidden doors and chambers. Inside the Taj Mahal, there are several sealed rooms that no one is allowed to enter. Some say they contain secret inscriptions. Others believe they might hide treasures or lost artifacts. But the government has strictly prohibited access to these chambers. Why? What are they hiding? Underground tunnels. Leading to Agra Fort rumors suggest that there are hidden underground tunnels connecting the Taj Mahal to Agra Fort. Some believe they were used as escape routes for Mughal royals, while others claim they might lead to undiscovered chambers filled with Mughal secrets. The tragic end of Shah Jahan. Despite building the world's most magnificent monument, Shah Jahan's fate was cruel. His own son, Aurangzeb, overthrew him and imprisoned him in Agra Fort. From his small prison window, Shah Jahan spent the last 8 years of his life gazing at the Taj Mahal, the final resting place of his beloved wife. And when he died, his body was placed next to Mumtaz Mahal, inside the Taj. But here's the catch. His tomb is asymmetrical. breaking the entire perfect symmetry of the Taj Mahal. Was this an insult by Aurangzeb, or did Shah Jahan's soul never find peace? The future of the Taj Mahal. Today, the Taj Mahal stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the 7 wonders of the world. But for how long? Pollution, acid rain, and environmental damage have begun discoloring its white marble. Experts warn that if not preserved, the Taj Mahal may not last another 500 years. So, what do you think? Should the government open the sealed chambers to the world? Could the hidden mysteries inside the Taj Mahal reveal forgotten secrets of history? The Taj Mahal is not just a monument. It's a story, a legend, a mystery waiting to be fully uncovered. What do you think about these secrets? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing mysteries and untold stories.